Microeconomics with Gabe, Paul, and myself, Mooney. Our project topics are elasticity and competition and market structures. There are four main different market structures. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is going to be perfect competition. The second one is going to be monopolistic competition. The third one is oligopoly, and the fourth one is monopoly. In perfect competition, all firms produce the same product. Agriculture is a really good example of because there is large number of producer, and also it is easy to get in and out of the market basically. So in this competition, prices are set by the buyer, not by the producer. Therefore, the firm's demand curve is perfect elastic. In addition to this, the producer has to accept the price that the market gives, which gives the buyer control of the price. Hello guys, welcome back. So this graph right here represents the market of eggs. And this part right here is the equilibrium price of eggs for every firm. Go to this graph right here. It's represent the individual firm, and they are price taker. So since they are price taker, the demand curve is horizontal, like you see, and it is perfect elastic because they have no control over the price.
Okay, hi there people. My name is Paul Torres and I'll be talking about oligopoly. So basically oligopoly is when there's only like few firms. So let's take example the AT&T, the phone companies, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and Sprint. So in this market, it's only controlled by a few numbers, and it'll be difficult for like startup companies to join because there's many restrictions to enter. And we do see other smaller companies like Cricket and Metro PCS, but at the end they're controlled by these major companies. And then the market structure of this would be the demand curve be inelastic.
Alright, hello and welcome back to Microeconomics with Paul, Gabe, and Mooney. Today I'll be discussing elasticity's law of demand, which states that more of a good will be demanded the lower its price, all else constant. This also means that less of a good will be demanded the higher its price, all else constant. The price elasticity of demand is a measure of its percent change in quantity of a good demanded divided by the percent change in the price of that good. This is a measure of how responsive customers are to the price of an item. And this can be shown by this equation. Elasticity of demand equals percent change, delta change, quantity over percent change, delta change in price. Right here. I'll be discussing two market structures, them being monopoly and monopolistic competition. First off, monopoly is where one firm is selling a unique product. This firm is a price maker, which is highly inefficient compared to a perfectly competitive market because there are high barriers to entry. Some examples of monopolies would be electricity, utilities and such, and the diamond industry. Next off, monopolistic competition is a mashup of monopoly and perfect competition. In this, there's a large number of competitors, and there's easy entry and exit of the market. There's small differentiations in the products that they use, but more or less they're basically the same thing. The only thing that would differentiate the product would be marketing and the way it's advertised.